That. Look how these sneaker erasers were actually sent to me. You get about 10 of them. There's a nice sort of, this is like the white side, which is like the eraser side, and then you have this orange side. It's like a velvet, and it's more to sort of wipe away whatever you just cleaned. So the first step is to wet it. So I have a wet one, and I have a dirty shoe right here. So let's actually put it to test and see. So this is wet. Oh wow, look at that already. Okay, so this is the before. I'm not using anything else, it's just this that has water on it. Whoa, okay, that made a huge difference already. Oh, so easy to use. You just wet this sponge and then you start to like erase the sole of your shoe. And look, it's coming off dirty, so you could see that I am getting off all those scuff marks and dirt. Look at that. Look how white this looks. So this eraser literally erased all of the scuff marks from this shoe. Look how dirty this one is. Look at how clean this just got. Okay, so this is like a shoe eraser, and it literally just erased all of these scuff marks on these white soles. It literally just erased it away. They're really effective. I did add some more water. And once you add water, all of the dirt on this is gonna just like wash away, and you come back and it's just like erasing it. It's so simple to use, and you have so many of them. I could see like where the bumps and stuff are starting to go away because I'm applying some light pressure, but it's literally cleaning so many of my shoes.